In this video, you will learn how to make your own HunterXhunter license card. A good example would be this.
I'm begging you, so put your loving hand out, baby.
Without further ado, let's dive and begin. To create the HunterXhunter license card, first, you will need to gather the materials needed for the card. The card will be designed with the Pixelab app. You can get it for free from Google Play Store. To obtain the Hunter license HunterXhunter design template, click on the link in the following description. Then, you will need to follow the instructions in the video to assemble your card. We begin by designing the front of our HunterXhunter license card before moving on to the back. To ensure that the image is properly displayed, we should adjust its width accordingly. Once you've added the HunterXhunter design template to your gallery, you can crop it to fit your needs. You can customize it further by cropping or resizing to get the perfect look. This barcode should be added to the card in order to ensure that the card is officially licensed by HunterXhunter. Additionally, the size of the barcode should be adjusted accordingly. Add the rectangular shape to complete the design. Adjust the dimension of the rectangle to create the desired composition. Please include your name in the text. You can change the font and color of the text by changing the color to black, putting a stroke, and changing the font size. We have finally got a look at the front of HunterXhunter license card. This card was highly anticipated by fans of the series and is sure to be a hit. Next, we arrange the text and image on the back of the card. Choose an image from your gallery and add it. Adjust the size and position of the image if needed. Make a duplicate of the image and adjust its capacity. Then add a yellow star shape and adjust it. Adding a stroke to a star shape will make it stand out. Please add a text and put your first name first, then your last name. Save your work and export to the desired format. Check the final result and make sure it looks great. Lastly, we complete the design by carefully checking our work for any mistake or inconsistencies. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please click one of the options below. These options are subscribe to the button or hit the notification bell and leave me a comment. Or you can just do both and really make my day. Bye! See you next time, and don't forget to bring popcorn.